Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I want to talk to you guys about size kits. I have been getting a lot of questions regarding them, so I decided that I would make a video and just show you guys how I make them. I print them from home, I cut them myself. Everything is at my house. I don't have to wait for them. They're free. It's simple to make. It's just really easy. So my site of choice is avery.com. I just go to my account, my projects, and then I open up my size kit and I print. It also gives you the option for them to print for you, which is really cool as well if you don't have a printer. But since I have a printer, I just print by myself, and it's super quick. So to start off, you're gonna go to start a new project. I like to use the postcard because that's the biggest one, the biggest one that fits enough size kits on a single paper. So I get 4 on each page, and I mean, I don't feel like size kits are bought enough to print in bulk or purchase like 100 at a time like you would for a business card. So I decided to just print these by myself as needed, and I just customize them myself. So I'm just gonna go in here, I'm gonna put size kit. You can change up the font if you would like to, and then you can add in your logo, which on here it's really cool too, is you'll just go to my account if you've already uploaded certain things, and it saves it for you. So I'm just gonna put my logo in really quick, and then you can put in directions, you can put in left hand, right hand, sizes here, like whatever you want is what you can put. So I personally like to get everything on the size kit, and then I'll center it, and then I'll play with it. So I'm just gonna put left and right, and then I'm gonna put the Instagram logo and my Instagram, and then I'm gonna play with it. And so the way that I like to make them is I like to pretty much move everything. I leave gems and size kit in the middle, but I'm gonna bring it down a little bit because at the very top I'm gonna write down the shape and the length that they chose, and then where it says left and right, I like to move that to the center as well, or a little bit more to the right side, because on that left side is where I like to put my tape going from top to bottom, and then I put the tips right there. So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch, and I'm gonna play with it really quick, and then I'll show you guys how I print them, the printer I use, the paper I use, everything. So they do have like a lot of options for you to play with, so that you can see different things. You can look at how it's going to look on the paper. So right here it's showing me all 4 of them, what it's going to look like. And then if I hit the project button, it's going to give you this, so you can let them print for you, or you can choose print yourself. And then I would always just save it really quick so that you have it. With this one, I'm obviously not going to save because I have mine. So I'm just going to go in, open mine, and then I'm going to go to project, and I'm going to print it myself. It takes me to my printer page, and then I just hit that middle button, scroll down to print, and it's already connected to my printer. And then I'm just going to undo that second page because we don't need it, it's blank. And then this is the paper that I'm using. It's actually photo paper. It's glossy photo paper, so it's really durable, and to me it looks the most professional because it's glossy, and it just makes it look really pretty. It doesn't make it look like I made them at home. So this is the photo paper that I use. I've actually had that since the beginning of my business. Like, that's how much, people don't really buy size kits. I don't like, a lot of people already have size kits, or they've measured, or, they know their size. So a lot of people don't buy them, but that's simple. Like, it's printed, it's done. This is everything you need to create them. I'm going to show you guys how to go from these 4 to those single ones. I just have this really easy cutter. It makes everything super straight. And when I first started, I used to make my own business cards and my how to apply, how to remove card. Like, I made everything, but I used Avery for everything as well. So it made it super, super simple. So I just want to cut these, and then I'll show you guys how I add the nails and everything. And I'm also going to show you guys how I pack them, because I did actually have an order for a long coffin size kit. So I decided to just make it in the video and show you guys how I package it and everything. So really quick, I just want to talk about this double-sided tape. It is my absolute favorite. It is very strong, very durable. It holds the nails in place. I just know that when I use this tape, the nails are not going to move in transit. They're going to stay put. They're going to look just as good as they looked when I shipped them. So I'll have it linked down below. It's from Amazon, and I believe it's like $8 for a 2-pack, and it lasts you a long time. So it's really, really good. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add 1 size of each of the nails, and then we are gonna label them, and that's really it. Also, I did want to say that I do highly recommend using the same tips that you use on your press-on nails for your size kits. If you're going to switch up tips, there's a possibility that they're not going to be the same size, and then that, it would not help your customer at all. So definitely use the same exact tips for both your press-on nails and your size kits. Now we're just gonna label this. It is a long coffin size kit. I make mine as the orders come in, because I don't want to have a whole bunch of pre-made ones just sitting around and not be bought. So I just make them as the order comes in, and then I label them really quick and then ship them. They're super simple. It takes you like less than 5 minutes to even make them once they're printed. This is what they look like in the end, and then a lot of my customers will just put their sizes in under the left and the right, and then send me a picture if they've already purchased and they were just waiting on their size kit. So I use these 4x6 bubble mailers. I'll have those linked down below as well. And then, always include your invoice. That way they can see that you put everything in there that they ordered. I just fold everything really small to make sure that it fits in that kit. In that bubble mailer. I haven't had any issues yet with anything like breaking or anything like that. So I just add in my thank you card, my business card, all of that good stuff, and then I mail it out. So I also like to put the size kit inside of this little like bubble like baggie or whatever it is, because I just want to make sure that those nails are not going to break in transit, because they are just the nails. Like, they don't have a box, they don't have gel on them or anything. So yeah, that's really it though. I'm just gonna close it up, put the label on, and then on the back I always add in a thank you sticker and a fragile sticker. And so yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you need any help with anything else, just let me know down below. Thank you guys again so much.